In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cinemagraph in Canva. A cinemagraph is a unique digital creation that combines the timeless elements of photographs and the dynamic movements of video. This blend results in an image that selectively animates only parts of the photo, bringing certain areas to life while the rest remain static, offering a striking visual effect. Let's dive in. First, you need to open Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, it's an incredibly versatile online design tool that can help you create stunning visuals with ease. Once you're on the Canva homepage, the next step is to create a new design. You'll want to select the video option from the various templates available. This is important because we'll ultimately be exporting our cinemagraph as a video file. Now, you'll need to decide on a photo for your cinemagraph. Choose an image that contains an element or subject you want to animate. This could be something like water flowing in a fountain, clouds gently moving in the sky, or any other subtle motion that would look spectacular as a living element within your photo. Upload this image to your Canva project. With your image uploaded, navigate over to the Apps section in Canva. This is where you'll find a variety of tools and plugins to add different functionalities to your designs. You'll need to search for either Image Animate or simply Animator. These tools are designed to help you bring your photos to life through simple yet effective animation effects. Once you have found the animation tool, select the image you wish to animate. Think carefully about the part of the image that you'd like to move. Describe the animation you envision, whether it's a slight ripple, a gentle breeze, or any other effect that would enhance the overall aesthetics without overpowering the stillness of the rest of the photo. After you've articulated your vision, click on the Animate button. After your animation is complete to your satisfaction, go ahead and click Add to Design. This action integrates the animation into your Canva project as part of your cinemagraph. At this point, you're nearly finished. To complete your cinemagraph, you'll want to share it with others or save it for future use. To do this, look towards the top right corner and click on Share. When prompted, choose Download and ensure the format is set to MP4, as this is a video format that will aptly capture the animation effects. And there you have it, a beautiful cinemagraph created in just a few easy steps using Canva. By following these instructions, you'll be able to add a creative and dynamic element to your digital portfolio. Thank you for watching and happy designing.